2010 Ford F-150 with the 4.6 V8. We're doing an oil change. Let's get to it. Alright, underneath the vehicle you can see our drain plug right here. Looking like a 16 millimeter. And that was put in way too tight. And after you're done draining your oil, go ahead and put it down and just give it a nice whack, and that's it. Don't go crazy on it. Don't torque it down tight. You'll pull out those threads and you'll end up having to replace your entire oil pan. And as always, after you're done, come in here, spray down the area you were just working at. So that way if you see oil there in the future, you know that you have a possible oil leak and not that you just didn't clean up your mess. Your engine oil filter is located on the front of the engine. You can just reach up here through the front bumper or kind of underneath of it, get a good hand on it, break it loose. Now, when the oil starts draining out, you'll see it's got this convenient little oil pathway for the oil to drain out into your catch can. But as you'll also see, it almost never works and it always ends up draining out right there. So, good idea, but kind of failed when it was needed for this draining out right there. For our oil filter, we'll be using the CarQuest Romeo 8 5372. When you're ready to install it, go ahead and just get yourself some of that. Get yourself some used motor oil and lube up that O-ring so you know you're going to get a nice seal when you put it up against the engine block. Alright, and when you're putting this on, you put it down hand tight. That's it. You don't need to go crazy and make it difficult for the next time you do an oil change. Just hand tight. Alright, over here at our computer we have our oil information pulled up. We'll be using 5W20 Premium Synthetic Blend Motor Oil at 6 quarts. Your oil fill cap is located right here. Go ahead and screw that off and put in those 6 quarts of oil. 2010 Ford F-150 with the 4.6 V8. We just performed an oil change and now we're going to reset the oil life. Go ahead, turn the key to the on position. Do not start it. And when the thing starts letting you control it, you can go here to hold reset for a setup menu. Go ahead and hold this button right here. There's your oil life. Go ahead and hold it again. Oil life set to 100. And then when you're done with that, go ahead and turn the key to the off position, and then you can go ahead and start it up or whatever you gotta do with it. If this helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe.